Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x800f0922, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. And interestingly, I found an article where more than 250 users confirmed the resolution. So the first one is obviously to check the internet connection. Search for fast.com in the search bar and check the internet speed. Is it good enough to sustain the download of the Windows update files? Means is it more than 20 Mbps? If yes, then good. The next is to check the .NET framework. It should be enabled. So search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on Windows, turn Windows features on or off. Expand it and make sure that the .NET framework is enabled. All of these are enabled. Okay. ASP.NET, .NET Framework 4.8, .NET Framework 3.5, and then click on OK. And it will need a while to replicate the changes. And the last solution will be to turn off your firewall, but this has to be done only temporarily to isolate the cause, and once it has updated, then you can do away with it. So search for firewall in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Defender Firewall, and then click on this option, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and then turn it off for both public and private network, and click on OK to turn it off, and then later you can reconnect it after downloading the updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.